Welcome to this new video by Abhigyan Digital Marketing Solutions, an easy-to-use online app builder platform. Watch till the end to know the complete details. Also, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel for regular updates. So, let's start the video. Welcome back to this video everyone. In this video you will learn how to start your business with small investment. As you all know, nowadays it has become necessary for everyone to have a business of their own, whether small or big. If you already have a business, that's good. You can learn to grow your business further. Who do not want to grow their business? Everyone wants to take their business to the top level. Next, you will know about the website using which you can start your business. Welcome to Abhigyan Digital Marketing Solutions, an easy-to-use online app builder platform. Here we will show you the various sections of the website, so that it's easier for you to understand and then start building apps. On the top you can see menu section. We will come to this section later. There is a special section inside this. So, watch till the end to know more about it. As you can see, you get the opportunity to become app developer and also make income. Step-by-step method is provided which you can follow to build app. And these apps will run 24/7 to help you generate income with your apps. If you scroll below, then there is this introduction video which you are watching now. Next, you will see many benefits of building apps. Earning money is just one of the benefits. So, go through this and you will realize that app building using this platform can be quite beneficial for you. If you scroll below, you will find the types of apps that you can build by using this platform. Here we would like to mention that these are just few of the types. After following the training, you can build a variety of apps. This app builder is very easy to use and is suitable for all. Also, here we have mentioned few categories of people for whom this is most suitable. You can see that these are students, professional, unemployed and senior citizens. Next, there are few user testimonials. You can have a look at these. Below testimonials you will find the frequently asked questions section. Here you will find answers to most common questions. Now, to start building apps you need to select a package. So, in the form here just enter your name and email and then click the submit button. You will be taken to the packages page where you can select a suitable package. Now, we will be showing you the packages page. As mentioned, you can come to this page after submitting the form. Here you can see two prices, that is monthly and yearly. There are also two sections. There is price for India and for other. So, if you are from India, then scroll below. In all packages, that is monthly or yearly, you will get the following benefits. You can build unlimited apps. Complete training will be provided. You can make income with apps. Support will be provided. No experience is required. You can build app within hours. Also, you can make variety of apps. So, decide your suitable package and then click on Join Now button for that package. After you click the Join Now button, you will be taken to PayPal for payment. Let us show you that also. After clicking Join Now, you will come to this page. If you have a PayPal account, then you can use that to log in and pay. If you do not have a PayPal account, then you can easily create an account and pay. Click here to create an account. After successful payment, we will verify the payment details and send further details to the same email ID which was used for making payment with PayPal. You will also receive the tutorial videos which you can watch and build app yourself. After going through these, if you still have questions, then you can ask using the contact form below. And make sure to follow us on YouTube and Instagram. You can find the links below. Here you will get regular updates about internet marketing and various useful stuff. If you are related to any mode of internet world, whether you are in YouTube or you have a website etc., you will find this useful. So, go to the YouTube and Instagram icons below and subscribe and follow there. Now, in the beginning we had mentioned that there is a special section in the menu. We will discuss that here. There is information section where you can read about latest updates and useful articles. Then there is contest section where you can participate and win prizes. But the main surprise is the members area section. Let's go to that section directly. If you click members area, you get three options, that is register, paid content and free content. First, click on register. You can read the details there. You will come to this page after clicking register. Members will get information and resources which they can use if they are doing affiliate marketing, internet marketing, app development etc. We will also provide you with actual methods, tips and tricks so that you can implement it yourself and get real results. You will get new content monthly. There are two levels of membership, that is free and paid. While both section will be beneficial for members, but definitely paid section will have more advantage. Paid section will contain more methods, tips and tricks and will provide you more value. So, select your package and start today. Click on select and then enter your information to create account. After creating your account, you can go to paid section or free section in the members area and access your content. Hope you liked the video. Make sure to like and share the video. Also, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get instant notification about new videos.